Is a picture really worth 1,000 words? Not anymore. That saying was introduced way back in 1927, over 60 years before the internet became a thing. These days, a picture is often worth much more and can bring in hundreds or thousands of dollars to your online campaigns. In a world of info overload and super short attention spans, pictures are what stop people as they race through their social feeds. They're what get the click on your ads and offers, and can easily position you as a trusted leader in your niche. Welcome to Designa, the first graphics platform built by digital marketers for digital marketers. Designa is the easiest to use graphic creator ever. Choose from over 3,000 professionally designed templates you can effortlessly customize with the drag-and-drop editor. If you can point and click, you have all the technical skills you need to create truly stunning graphics. Templates for virtually any type of campaign at your fingertips. Social media banners, covers, graphics and posts, FB ads, ebook covers, e-tickets and business cards, webinar slides, blog covers, YouTube graphics, memes, launch graphics, even top converting infographic templates. We invite you to compare Designa to even the closest competition. For your reference, we've included the costs of several alternatives on the page below. You could pay as much as $315 per month for a platform that does much less. Or enjoy unrestricted access to Designa for a single incredibly low one-time fee, but only during this launch. The premium bonuses we're sharing with early action takers, and details of the 30-day money-back guarantee that makes grabbing Designa now an easy decision. Step-by-step training right inside the dash. Ongoing updates included because we use Designa in our own business. World-class support with the click of your mouse. Pictures really are the most direct shortcut to online profits. Check out all the details below to see why Designa is the only and last graphics creator you'll ever need. Then grab your license now to enjoy ongoing access for this exclusive one-time pricing. Looking forward to seeing you on the inside.